What's going on, everybody? Pack Tack Outdoors coming to you from Isle Royale or Royal. Not really sure how to say it yet, but we'll get there before the end of the trip. Hey, cookware backpacking hack for you. I just want to show you guys the MSR cookware set that'll run you $175, and then I want to show you my Stanley Walmart cookware set that's going to run you under $40. Okay, so let's get at it. Let's look at this MSR set quick and what you're gonna get for 175 bucks. Alrighty, so first of all, you're gonna get this burner, all right, which does very well in the wind, right? So this flame is gonna be protected if it's really windy out. So I guess we just need to note that real quick. And then you're gonna get a nice kettle. Now this will boil super fast, okay? When you hook this up to your gas, you're gonna get a boil in under 2 or 3 minutes, I believe it is, 2 to 3 minutes, okay? Now, $175. Let's look at this Walmart cookware set. First of all, we're gonna get this cup in here, $5. This is just a stainless steel cup from Walmart. Okay, this will run you 25, 30 bucks at REI for someone to put a nice little label on it of their brand. So $5 for this. This Stanley 2-cup cookware set ran us $15. Okay, so right now our total is $28. And let me show you what this consists of. Just 2-cup. All right, comes with a cap. It can boil water. I think I was at 350, so roughly 4 minutes when I was boiling water. In here I have my sponge for cleaning. I have a utensil. I have a $10 backpacking stove, and I'll put all these links for this Stanley cookware set down below, so make sure to go check them out. But a $10 backpacking stove from Amazon. And then last but not least, this will run you roughly $4 to $5. You can fit one of the mini backpacking fuel in the bottom of your Stanley cup. So $5 for this, 10, another 15 for the Stanley 2-cup cookware set, and then this guy runs you $5, so roughly $35 for this setup. Packs up nicely. Now the only downfall is you have to be cautious of what meals you can cook with this, okay? And then same with this, right? You're not going to be cooking pancakes or I guess ground beef out on the trail with this, so just keep that in mind as a little caveat. But anyways, there's a under $40 backpacking cookware set. Let me know what you think, and I'm also curious to see what you guys have for your cookware setup for backpacking. So let us know, and happy trails. Live no trace, life's better lived.